Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy JB, and you're rocking with me, and I'm rocking with you. And I want to welcome you to my channel, Stocks on the Go. And if you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you are a subscriber already, go ahead and just pound on that like button, guys. You know what we're doing around here? We're building this family, and I just feel so great about it. It's a great feeling. It's a great look. As you can see, the views are going up on the videos. The subscribers are going up, and the family, we're all building, guys. And I like the comments that you guys are leaving in the comment section. I reply to each and every one of them, and that's what I love about this. We hold our conversations in the comment section, and it's good. It's very informative. Like, a lot of information I get from you guys, and I give back a lot of information too. As you all know, a little recap about some of the stocks that we did talk about in the week. They are just doing great. So Iguana Technologies, they're up, and ACDC, that is EV Battery Technologies, that's up. So if you guys are following the channel, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you put the bell on, so that you get notified each and every time that I do drop a video, guys, so that we don't miss out on anything, and we're not missing out on money, because a video missed out on could be potentially a couple $1,000 you missed out on. All right, guys, so let's keep these videos trending, keep the algorithm going, hit the like button, share the videos, and let's make some money. I have got a very special video for us today. So I've been getting a lot of emails. I've been getting a lot of questions. You guys have been asking me, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? And recently, you guys have been very bullish on the blockchain technology. For those who don't know much about blockchain, it basically gives you a little bit of exposure to Bitcoin. So with that being said, I've been getting a lot of questions. JB, what do you think is the best blockchain technology company, or the best Bitcoin company with the best Bitcoin exposure? As you all know, Mara, Riot, those are the two that really took the baton, and they had the first run. So they really showed what can be done with this sector, right? And they're skyrocketed. As you all know, Mara is up. Today when I checked, Riot was at like $60. So they are doing real good. But when it comes on to blockchain technology, I'm very skeptic about it. I've been watching it for a while, and there's this one stock that I have been just watching, and I've been doing a lot of research and a lot of due diligence on. And today was the day that as I said, I picked up some shares today of that company, and I picked up about 150 shares. And I'm feeling real confident about it. And that's the only way that I bring these type of videos to my audience. And as you all guys know, I'm not your financial advisor by any means. This is just my own opinion. And please, guys, do your own due diligence. You all know that's my pet peeve. I tell you guys, please do your own due diligence. But right now, today, we're here to talk about my favorite blockchain technology company, and the reason why I am so bullish on this company. And the company that we came to talk about today, guys, it is Hive Blockchain Technologies. So, for those who are asking me, what is Hive Blockchain Technologies? What is it that Hive Blockchain Technologies do? All right, guys, so here it is. Hive Blockchain Technologies is a growth-oriented TSX listed company building a bridge from the blockchain sector to a traditional capital market. Hive owns the state-of-the-art green energy-powered data center facilities in Canada, Sweden, Iceland, which produces newly minted digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. continuously on the cloud. Our deployments provide shareholders with exposure to the operating margins of digital currency mining, as well as a portfolio of crypto coins. So basically, this company mines bitcoins, they mine Ethereum, and they also have a portfolio with these coins. So basically, if Bitcoin goes up, if Ethereum goes up, Hive blockchain follows right behind. And if you're asking me, why is it that I am just investing if I'm so bullish on this company? I'll give you that reason later on in the video. So please, guys, do watch the video to the end if you want to find out the reason why I am really bullish at this point, and at this point why I decided to invest. All right. So we're gonna dig a little into Hive blockchain technologies. Like, I'm just gonna give you a little rundown on Hive blockchain technologies, some news, and my outlook on Hive. So some recent news that came out with Hive blockchain technologies earlier this year was Hive blockchain technologies continues its Bitcoin mining momentum by purchasing 6,400 Canaan Avalon next generation miners to expand its capacity to 1,229 PHs in 2021. Right, guys? And if you're basically asking, what is this all about? What is this purchasing of miners? Basically, what it is, the miners are what they use to basically mine. They use the miners, as it is, the name itself says what it does. It basically mines the Bitcoin. So if you have more miners you have, the easier or the faster it is for you to mine the Bitcoins, right? So a next little thing that I found in that same article, let me see if I can find it. It was this same article with the purchasing. And the other news that came out earlier, before I dig into what the actual news said, the other news that came out earlier this, I think it was last week, was Hive Blockchain Technologies plans to expand its Ethereum footprint by 30% using 6 MW of green energy to mine its Ethereum. So guys, with those two news coming out this year alone, you can see why any investor would just be super bullish on the company if they are already invested. And if you were just an investor looking from the outside, this company would have a lot of pluses to it, which would give you the confidence to invest in it. All right. They have been very profitable. One of the most profitable Bitcoin companies. Right. So that's another reason why I am so bullish on this company also. All right, guys. So let me dig into this for you guys just to see what it is about these new miners that has the stock price going up. All right. So, all right. With the addition of these 6,400 Canaan Avalon miners to 1,246 miners, Hive aggregate operating hash rate from Bitcoin mining will increase to an estimated 1.229 hashes per second. All right. Based on the orders that have been placed, this equipment is expected to be delivered in 8 trenches by 2021, with 500 miners delivered in May and June, and another 900 miners delivered each month in the remaining of the calendar, commencing with the July delivery. So, guys, with that being said, these guys are looking to ramp up the amount of miners that they have. And I wouldn't be it wouldn't be surprising if these guys hit about 2,000 miners, right? Because they're very bullish on this, and with them being so bullish on getting so much miners, and if you guys know, miners are really hard to come by right now. That's something that a lot of people are not letting out there because of the whole big C. A lot of people, a lot of these companies, they can't get these miners. So with Hive buying up all these miners, that's a plus, guys. That is a plus, right? And they are super expensive. And with the big C going on, it makes the price for miners go up. And with Bitcoin going up, it makes the price for miners go up even more. So you guys are just getting an outlook of what really is happening right now. So as we mentioned before, the big C pandemic continues to impact the logistics and the supply of miners from Asia today. Announced from today's announcement. As I was saying before, that is another big player. There aren't so many miners. It's hard to come by, and Hive, they got a lot of it, and they are looking to ramp up with more. So that's a big plus to me when looking to invest in this company. And the next news that I want to dig in to before I get to the reason why I really bought into this company, it's Hive Blockchain announces plans to expand Ethereum footprint by 30%. Guys, that's not saying they're going to expand by 5, by 10. No, these guys went to 30%. Like Hive, when a company is spending to make sure that they are profitable in the future, I can see with that. And they're already not in any debt, and they have no debt. So I can see with a company using the money, the cash on hand that they have to make great investments. And that's the type of company that you want to invest in. As I said before, I'm not your financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. All right, guys? I'm sure know that a lot of you guys can tell that I am from the islands. I do have a accent. I am trying to give you guys the best that I can do. So if again you like what you're hearing, go ahead, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys? All right. So Hive is pleased to announce an agreement to expand its footprint of their Sweden GPU mining data center by an immediate 2 MW at the estimate cost of $9 million US, right, by the end of April 2021. Guys, as I said before, Hive, they are spending in their company. They're looking to make this company great, like, if not the best. So when a company is spending to make sure that they're making the right moves and the right investments, I can see with that. I can see with the money coming out from the cash that they have on hand to do these great investments. All right. By the end of 2021, we are planning a 30% increase in our Ethereum mining capacity. The immediate expansion of the operating footprint would be accomplished through an infrastructure refitting of a portion of the existing facility in Boden, Sweden, and an estimated cost of $250 $250,000. All right, so $250,000, and the purchases of new generation GPU chips and associated mining rigs to house them, at the estimated cost of 8.75 million US dollars. All right, guys, as I said before, this company, they are spending and they're investing back in themselves, which is just amazing. These new generation chips are expected to be more efficient and than the current available GPU chips on the market, while consuming less electricity, which should lead to continuing positive gross margins. Guys, these guys are going for the best on the market, stuff that the other guys they don't have as yet. So I can see this company being real, or the stock price being going shooting up just with these investments that the company is making back into the company, right? I can see the stock price going up a lot more. And I want to give you guys a price target for the end of February. As we know right now, the stock is doing real good. It had a great run today. As you all know, if you are invested, if you're not invested, the stock did have a good run today. It is up 20%. Wow. So it opened at 437 and we closed today at 479. All right, guys, so we're up 20% on the day, and it's great. So, as I said before, I'm going to give you guys a reason that I did invest in Hive today. A lot of people have been asking me for a Bitcoin company, a blockchain company that's involved in Bitcoin, so they can get some exposure. And as I said before, I had my eyes on Hive for the last 2 months. And the thing that was the biggest thing for me was Hive was at that $2 mark for the longest while. It was struggling to break through that 270. It was that 270 mark. I'm thinking, if you guys, anybody who's invested in Hive, you guys should know. So go ahead and comment in the comment section. Let me know if I got that right. But I'm thinking it is the 270 mark that it could not cross for the longest while. And I was just, as I said, I had my eyes on it, but until it crossed that mark, it was not really, it did not really interest me as an investor. I wanted to see it past that 270 mark to know if Hive can really push. As you all know, it's a penny stock and it can go down in seconds or up in seconds. So that was the real pull point for me. Whereas I saw it break that 270, it climbed over. It just had a fantastic run, right, guys? It had a fantastic run. Came up on the 6-day chart. It's just doing fantastic. It's up 59% on the 5-day chart. On the month, it's up 68%. So as I said, it's been at that 270 for the longest while, and it made that breakthrough. So I decided to invest, and I am happy with my investment, guys. If you guys decide to invest, let me know. If you guys have shares of Hive already, go ahead, comment in the comment section. Man, I'm just loving the community. I'm loving the family. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, because as you all know, that helps the channel and that helps with what we have going on around here. We can help other investors score big and win with us too. So let's go, guys. As I said, if you are new to investing and you would like to start investing, I do have a Wealthsimple link in my description where you can pick up a extra $10 on your first $100 deposit. All right, guys. So as I said before, you rocking with me, I'm rocking with you. You know, it's your boy JB, and we are out.